Hello and welcome back to SkillWeb. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add signature in WPS Office. So let's have a look now. Access the document where you want to add signature. Click on the Insert tab and then from the right side click on Sign. Then click on Create Signature. Here we got three options. In the input section, you can write down your signature, and in the image section, you can insert an image as your signature. And in the handwrite section, you can write down your signature. After adding your signature, click on OK. So there you go. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.